Hi everyone, quick, crazy, short video. I just wanted to share these. Look what I got at the Dollar Tree. They don't all carry them. Look how neat is this. They don't all carry them, so I had to go like to 3 different Dollar Trees in my area. I'm in Massachusetts, by the way, and I got these at Michael's. They were Easter and they were like $2. Can't go wrong, can you? Look how neat these are. Yes. Anyway, I wanted to share that quick little tiny haul. There's other stuff that I got. Well, let me swing by in the box that I'm packing. But check these out. Are these so cool? They're gonna go into my new craft room, where I could keep my magazines, my collaging magazines, and then, sorry, and then, oopsie, a friend, someone gave me this. It's cute, huh? Okay, and then these, so it's kind of all matching. So this is the color that I want my room to be, teal. To be honest, those are like, not quite the same color. Like I have this color and it's, I don't know, they're like all very like see, like that. So they all vary. Anyway, I also wanted to show you really quick. I'm gonna try to link her YouTube video. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I came across it and it was pretty cool. Let me swing by without getting you dizzy. Look what I made. These are Dollar Tree wire baskets. She did mannequins out of them. I wanted to I did a twist on it. I wanted to make them functionable for me. So here I'm going to put all my sewing threads, and here is another basket where I can put ribbons and stuff. And then I did a miniature one. This one has the opening in the back, and I put a little bowl there. Of course I did them the same color because that's the theme that I'm going for, and that's the front. So in here I can put stuff in there, and in the back I can put stuff in there. I'm going to try to see if I can find her link. Again, this is my twist on it. It's not my idea. It was her turning the basket into that. And I just kind of did my own version of it. So, yeah. So I'm going to try to see if I can find it and link it below, and learn how to do that. Of course, it's hard for me because I'm just learning the app that I have. Anyway, yeah, I'm still packing and there's still so much. Oh my gosh, look at these walls. I'm gonna have to put that stuff, what is it, stucco on it before I move out. Yeah, that's of years of stuff, and that's my homemade tripod. Anyway, that's for my iPhone because I don't have a camera. I mean, the cameras are like so expensive. I just cannot afford it. Anyway, so let me. Oh, one more thing. Oh my goodness. So this is definitely an awesome buy. Sorry, I'm trying to move. Okay, well, these you have seen, okay, on Wish. By the way, Wish is getting so expensive and you have to pay for shipping. Try Vova, V-O-V-A, free shipping there. Anyway, so these, I don't know if anybody's familiar with, she's in Michael's, Jane Davenport. Is that how you, sorry. Davenport. Oh, you're going to hate me for this video. Anyway, these are pastel colors. And guess what? They're like, I don't know, like $20 or something like that. I got these for $5 each on a 60% sale plus my teacher's discount. It is 15% off. So I got all of these for $5 a piece. Yes, this one was $6.75. And these are colors too. They're the actual, these are crayons. And look how beautiful these are. I love these because it has like, the skin tones down at the bottom. See? Silky skin. They all have soul window. They all have names. I haven't tried them yet, so I can't tell you whether they're good or not. But I've seen her stuff, so I didn't want to pay original price. I mean, right here, this got to be like at least $70 worth or $80 worth of pastels and colors. Not to mention these. But don't they look like makeup? I thought that was such a cute theme, you know, using makeup. But they really actually are paints. They're pastel colors. Anyway, so with that said, yeah, keep an eye on Michaels. Sometimes they have like these like hidden awesome deals, you know, and I wanted to try them, but not at the regular price. That would be insane to pay like $80 worth of stuff. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for being loyal and hanging on to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider it. I am a random YouTuber uploader. You can see through the process that I'm moving, so please hit the bell and it'll let you know when I post. That way you won't miss any of my tips, tricks. And in the near future, when I'm done and moved into my new home, I will be uploading tutorials from scratch. I don't measure things. I don't plan out things. I'm just impulse, inspirational person. I just sit down, I gather whatever I'm going to play with, and I just experiment, and from there I create. So if you're into that type of videos, then please stay tuned, because I will be bringing those up to you and sharing my ideas and how I create things and how I put twists on other ideas. And I just want to thank you again, and I'm so happy that I am part of this arts and craft culture. I mean, creating is the best thing that we can do to let go of stress, anxiety, and express ourselves. So, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.